We are the Queens of Cooking. All right, so this morning we're going to be making some breakfast meats. We're going to do some bacon and sausage, and
yes,
we want to try cooking them together.
Sure.
All right, so we've never done this, and we don't.
This is our first time.
This is our first time, and here goes nothing. All right, so we're going to be making some bacon, and we're going to be making some hot link sausages inside of our instant Vortex.
I put the foil in the drip tray and we are ready to go.
We're going to hit air fry. We're going to lower the temperature just a hair to, let's go down one more. Let's go to 380. That's fine. And then time wise, let's go down to 7 minutes. And then we're going to click start. And it is on. So one of the manual says that you can keep the food in there while it's prepping to air fry, or you can put it in there when it prompts you to. We already have it in there, so we're just gonna sit around and wait and see what happens. 2 minutes left. It's asking us to turn the food, and that's what we'll do. So we're going to switch the trays around. So we're going to pull the first tray out. And then the sausages actually look good, so we're not going to throw those back in, but we are going to close the door for the bacon to finish up. Sausages are all done. They look pretty dang good. Just about done. Alright, so we're going to open this door up. I'm going to go ahead and pull the bacon out. I just threw a piece of tin foil so that it wouldn't drip all over the door. So there is the bacon that we made and the hot sausage links. Tastes great. We're going to make some eggs on the stovetop and call it a day. It looks like this came out very crispy, very juicy. This came out a little dark. Probably put those in a little bit. Probably start these on the bottom shelf next time. But they taste very good on the inside. So, cooked really well. And that's it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.